In behalf of the KOJC honors, as well as the JMC, we would like to express our heartfelt thanks for conducting this Senate hearing this afternoon. This really comes as a gift to us, especially in the light of the fact that we have been under attack. We would like to begin by quoting People versus Arota, Your Honor, where the Supreme Court said that it is simply not allowed in a free society to enforce a law, or to violate a law rather, to enforce another, especially if the law violated is the Constitution itself. What we are seeing here, actually, Your Honor, is the rape of the 1987 Constitution in the guise of the enforcement of a warrant of arrest. We feel, Your Honor, deeply that while we may concede that there is indeed a warrant of arrest, the validity of which is still under question before the Court of Appeals, we feel that the same should not be used as a license to violate fundamental rights of citizens, of third persons, not included in the warrant of arrest. In this case, Your Honor, from the get-go, when General Torre allegedly served the warrant of arrest, we already informed him that the warrant he was bringing was only one, that of a person in the name of Sylvia Simanes with an address in Pasig City. We felt that if he was informed that if he was given that information, he would adjust and look for other copies of the warrant. We know that we may be served with other copies of the warrant, but until now, there is no service. The warrant of arrest was used to destroy the rights of individuals. Tear gases were used, and despite the clear evidence to the contrary, PNP denies this. Freedom of religion, where the cathedral itself has been denied usage to the members. The warrant of arrest has likewise been used as a license to conduct random as well as omnibus search to all the properties in the KOJC compound. It has likewise been used as a license to turn the property into a police garrison where members cannot anymore freely use the school as well as the cathedral as well as numerous rooms located therein. So therefore, Your Honor, we thank you for this opportunity, for giving us a breather. We are hoping and praying earnestly to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that after this hearing, Your Honor, the police or the PNP leadership would realize that indeed they may be serving a warrant of arrest, but in the service of such warrant of arrest, they should bear in mind the fundamental rights likewise of third persons not actually mentioned in the said warrant of arrest. Your Honors, the violations here and the evidences are overwhelming, and we hope, Your Honor, that this can be corrected soonest and fast. And we have actually presented, Your Honor, a blow-by-blow accounts of what transpired from August 24 until today, Your Honor, where even the temporary protection order, which was lawfully issued by the regional trial court on the third day, this was brazenly violated. The temporary protection order was a clear order, Your Honor, which provided supposed judicial relief to third persons who are not affected by the warrant of arrest. The temporary protection order was directed against the restrictions and control being employed by the PNP, which led to grave violations to the constitutional right of third persons to their right to life, liberty, property, and even security. And that is why they were ordered right away to cease and desist from performing any act or omission that violates the petitioner's rights to life, liberty, or property, and they were ordered to remove any blockade or barrier that may hinder the petitioner's rights to life, liberty, or property. But what happened after that, Your Honor, was that the cathedral was likewise barred and cordoned, and no member can anymore pray therein. The JMC school was likewise cordoned, and no student can likewise use the same. Even the hangar was controlled by the policemen, and even the lawns and gardens cannot anymore be used by the members, despite and in spite of the effectivity of the temporary protection order. We see, therefore, Your Honor, here a wanton violation by the police, despite the fact that they took an oath to serve and protect. And we pray, Your Honor, that we will be given the chance to show a blow-by-blow account of the various and wanton violations made by the police against the constitutional rights of the members of KOJC and Davaoenos in general, Your Honor.
So you have prepared a presentation?
Yes, Your Honor, we have prepared a presentation, Your Honor, where we will show all the violations committed by the police.
You may proceed.
Yes, Your Honor, please. This is actually day 1, Your Honor, 3:50 in the morning, August 24, where PNP used excessive force. And they deployed 3,000 PNP personnel, Your Honor, with truncheons, riot shields, and heavily armored staff to enforce the warrant of arrest. And the PNP actually at that time surrounded the compound, and several personnel were assigned to secure the following areas. They developed themselves into sectors, Your Honor. We were able to get a copy of that in the cathedral, Your Honor, because some policemen, Your Honor, were not so careful in the safekeeping of that, document, Your Honor. We can see that they were actually divided into 12 sectors. Sector 1, 5 teams of CDMO were deployed just outside the KOJC compound. Sector 2 in Jose Maria College and KOJC Cathedral. Sector 3, Bible School, Open Field Dorm, Publishing House, Small Houses. Sector 4, Mechanical Building, Jasper Wall. Sector 5 is the Kingdom. Sector 6, Q Palace. Sector 7 is the hangar. Sector 8, the empty lot, Your Honor. Sector 9, engineering houses. Sector 10, stockroom. Sector 11, transportation area. Sector 12, the anatomy or the near taxiway. You can see, Your Honor, the overwhelming excessive force that they have employed in this case.
Attorney,
Yes, Your Honor.
where did you get this?
From them, Your Honor, because they were so careless in the handling of documents. And one document, Your Honor, fell off, and one of the members, I don't know who, was able to secure it and gave it to us, Your Honor. At that time, PNP even had aerial support, Your Honor. And the next slide would prove that. No, drones were seen flying during the execution phase, and even days before that, drones were already flying above us, Your Honor. And the next slide will also show that they have high-tech equipment, long-range acoustic device, or LRAD, no? And I actually experienced that when General Torre used that early in the morning, where your eardrums were about to explode even after brief exposure. Next slide, please. And
Hold muna, Attorney.
yes, Your Honor.
I would like to get the response from General Torre. Is it true that you're using the LRAD during worship time? Habang nagpe-prayer sila, sinasabayan daw nyo ng LRAD? Please,
I kept an open dialogue, and I will not allow such kind of activity to be done if it has been done. But there's nothing that has come to my attention that there was that kind of complaint, Your Honor.
ito ha. Thank you if yan ang yun ang stand mo about that, ha? Dahil you can just imagine kung ikaw ang nagsisimba sa loob. Tapos tirahin ka ng ilrad para sasabog yung tenga mo. I can just imagine kung paano mangyari sa'yo.
We don't do that, and we'll never do that, Your Honor. Intentionally.
So, you're not doing
Because,
that.
That's baloney, Your Honor. We have so many videotapes and videos, Your Honor, that would prove actual footages that would prove that in times of worship and prayer, Your Honor, somebody would put on the ilrat, Your Honor.
Ako, okay lang sa akin gamitin nyo yan kung rowdy, very unruly yung mga tao. Pero kung panahon ng pagsisimba, my God, I can just imagine kung bakit natin gamitin. Please
Your Honor.
respond.
Your Honor, the LRAD is being used as a public address system to make sure that all the messages are pushed through. However, Your Honor, we are not aware of the schedule of their prayers, of their activities inside, because the LRAD is outside.
Okay,
And
okay,
If only
okay, sandali.
my attention was
Kung
called.
hindi kayo nakiusap sa kanila na please, kung pwede, nagpe-pray kami dito, huwag ninyong gamitin yan.
Many times, Your Honor.
Many times.
Many
Yung
times.
kinausap nyo.
Yung mga police officers po niya doon sa field po, Your Honor. Meron siya, ang dami kasi mga policemen doon, Your Honor. At one time, they even reach about 4,000 or 5,000, Your Honor. So, especially during the first day, second day, third day, fourth day, Your Honor, napakadami po nila. But he has had the habit of what you call this, putting that on in times of worship of KOJC members. But anyway, if he denies that, Your Honor, may we continue in the narration of events, Your Honor?
You still want to say something? Please continue.
Sir,
Wait
just last rejoinder. Even on the day itself and the next day, Attorney Torion is very fond of making written demands or redress in writing and delivered to me, even on holidays. Simple demand like that can be sent through cell phone, and I have already unblocked him. And I would like to categorically state there's no request whatsoever. Yesterday, there was a request for the use of platforms or whatever equipment that they want to pull out from the cathedral. That was made, and it was immediately granted because first and foremost, I really don't have control over those materials and equipment, sir. So just a simple text to that matter, to that effect, regarding the interference of the LRAD during their worship activities would have been sufficient if there were incidents like that that came to their attention. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Senator Attorney Torion, please continue.
Yes. The next slide, Your Honor, if I may continue. And this is the key, Your Honor, in the determination as to whether or not the operation, to our mind, is legal, Your Honor, because in this interaction, Your Honor, General Torre only presented one warrant of arrest, and that is of Sylvia Simanes. Until today, he has not yet presented any other warrant of arrest, Your Honor. Can you please from ang address dito, sir, Pasig City, Metro Manila, sir. At kung kay Sylvia Simanes po.
Pwede ba patulong dyan sa pandito, technical? Baka pwedeng mawala yung echo? Before you continue, Attorney Torion, my colleague here, Senator Robin Padilla, would like to ask a copy of that warrant of arrest against Celia. Please submit that to the COMSEC.
Essentially, Your Honor, what happened here, Your Honor, was that he presented one warrant of arrest, if I may continue, Your Honor. And he gave us 30 minutes in order for us to, to ultimatum, Your Honor, to whether we like it or not, they would enter. And I actually used a megaphone, Your Honor, and told him there was actually no need to use force because we were willing to cooperate. And despite the fact that the 30 minutes have not yet elapsed, Your Honor, footages would show that the southern gate as well as the eastern gate were forcibly destroyed, Your Honor, and heavily armed policemen, Your Honor, were immediately attacked the compound. Here, Your Honor, that was his statement. Papasok kami, hindi itong lugar para tayo ay magdebate, magreklamo na lamang kayo. At sabi niya dito, he will conduct the search on their own terms. That was his declaration, Your Honor. So even if the 30 minutes, next slide please, even if we also reminded him, Your Honor, at that time that there was actually a certification from the NBI that the warrant of arrest has already been served. Yet even before the 30 minutes, the picture would show that some of his men did not wait for the 30 minutes. They immediately breached the back part of the compound, the eastern side. They broke it, Your Honor, specifically in Sector 7, Sector 10, and Sector 11. And they showed evident premeditation and treachery to attack KOJC members rather than to serve the warrant of arrest because they loved tear gases, Your Honor. And the result is this. Next slide, please.
Attorney,
Yes, Your Honor.
why 30 minutes?
I don't know with him, Your Honor. He gave us 30 minutes, but we told him there was no need for you to use force. We are willing to cooperate. But he was, I think, prepared with some form of a speech. He even taped it in his LRAD, Your Honor. He continuously played it. There was a deafening recording, Your Honor, played on his LRAD na kami ay nandito para mag-implementar ng warrant of arrest. Parang ganun ba? Meron siyang tape recording po. And then he was giving us 30 minutes, Your Honor. But then again, I pointed out to him, no need to use force. We are willing to cooperate. So he said, Your Honor, we will give you 30 minutes. And whether you like it or not, we will open the gate and we will open the gate and we will serve the warrant based on our own terms. Ang nangyari kasi, Your Honor, pa-open na namin yung gate, hindi pa lumampas yung 30 minutes, sinira na nga yung southern portion. Tapos, pumasok yung mga armadong mga pulis, naglob na mga tear gases po, na-shock yung mga tao po doon sa likod, at namatay yung isang tao, right then and there, 4 others suffered heart attacks, Your Honor. And 4 minor children, Your Honor, suffered severe anxiety attacks. Yan sa cathedral yan, nandyan ako po nung nangyari yan, Your Honor. Kasi gulong-gulo kami, ang dami po nila, no? And while that was going on, thousands of policemen, Your Honor, were immediately conducting omnibus search to any and all structures. Sabay-sabay po. Sabay-sabay.
Pause muna, Attorney. I am very much disturbed. Yung sinabi kanina ni Miss Cardona. May sinabi ka kanina during the inspection na while someone was dying, you were asking for help para pasukin doon para kunin yung biktima, and yet yung mga pulis walang ginagawa. Kindly repeat that.
Good afternoon to this
Yeah.
honorable
Please
body.
continue.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair, sa pagkakataon na